Exercise 14, I want you guys to make this IKEA bookshelf. So in this case, it's easier if you start from the plan. Okay. For some people who want to see the step by step before watching my video, this is the step by step. If you look at your handout, you can see how we can do it step by step. So see, I start from the plan, then I go from there. Let's go to our SketchUp. Again, I import this drawing here to make it easier for you guys to see. See, this is the plan. It's 14 inch by 4 feet 2 inch. Okay. So I start a rectangle and I draw a rectangle on the floor. So 4 feet 2, comma 1 feet 2. Enter. So now I have this in the plan. I use push-pull tool, and the height of it is 5'6". Okay, so I place the push-pull tool here. See it change to dots. Click once, show the direction, 5'6". Enter. Okay, so now I have this shape. I have to somehow find, see the 2-inch thickness of this bookshelf. How can I do that? There are many different ways to do it. One way, you can select this line, go to move tool, and remember, if I press Control, it would switch to copy. Just make sure you're in the right direction. So I press up arrow, then I put 2-inch. I select this corner, this line I mean. Again, I go to move tool, grab this corner. Again, I have to press Control to go to copy, and I have to lock it to the red, just in case so I don't do it wrong. 2-inch, enter. So the only thing that I need is this corner, and with doing this, copying these two lines, I have this corner. The other option is using offset. I can use offset, place the mouse here, click once, show the direction, I want to go this way, type 2, enter. Okay, so now I have this corner. The next step, I know this box is 1'2" by 1'2", basically 14-inch by 14-inch. So I select rectangle and make sure you're in the right direction. Okay, if you're not sure, in this case I can lock it to the green direction. 14, 14, enter. So I have the first rectangle, square. Then I need the next one, so I can use copy. Okay, but before doing that, I want to get rid of these extra lines. Okay, if I don't do that, I would end up with many small lines to delete. Okay, so please delete those. If you don't do that, let me just copy once. I just press M, Control, and see, this is 14-inch. If I copy this one 14-inch, it would land here. And that's not what I wanted. See, 14-inch is here. I need 2-inch gap this between. Okay, I need this 2-inch gap between these two. So what I would do, I would just type 16. Okay, 1'2" is 14 plus 2 is 16, and here you go, I have the 2-inch gap. Now, because I didn't delete this line first, now I have to go and delete this small line and that line. So if you finish everything, you end up with too many small lines to delete. So the best way is, before copying anything, Just delete these guys, we don't need them. Select, press delete, select, press delete. Now I select this one, press M. I can click anywhere, but I just click here for now. And remember, I want to copy, so I have to press Ctrl. And how far should I go? Remember, 16. 16, enter. So now I have the first one. I can do the same thing, click anywhere and copy it 16, or I can copy it from here, press Ctrl to change it to copy to here. See, the distance between this corner to this corner is exactly what I wanted. Now I have to copy all of this here. So I press Ctrl, select this tree, press M, so I go to Move Tool, I grab this corner, press Ctrl to change it to Copy Tool, and how far I have to go? 16. So I type 16, enter. Now I have the first one. I can easily click here as base point, press Ctrl and copy it here. Now for the last time, I click here, press Ctrl and copy that to this corner. So I have all the squares. The only thing that I have to use push-pull tool to get rid of this part. So push-pull tool, click here. Remember, we can't eyeball. You have to make sure you are on the edge. This is perfect. The fastest way to do that is double click. Let's hope that it's working. Yeah, here you go, double click, double click, double click. And here you go, we are done.